Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Discover the ultimate freedom and peace of mind with the Electron Level 1 EV Charger, an innovation that transforms your charging routine into a seamless, cost-effective experience. Simply plug it into any standard 110-volt outlet and enjoy a robust 15-amp output at 1.65 kilowatts, ensuring your electric vehicle is fully charged at home or work. Unlike pricier Level 2 chargers, this device adds an extra 40 to 50 miles of range overnight, making it a smart, affordable solution for everyday use. With its universal J1772 compatibility, it effortlessly supports every EV model, while stringent FCC and ETL safety certifications protect against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. Energy Star certified for efficiency and boasting an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, this mobile charger delivers reliability whether you're on a long journey or simply visiting friends. Only suitable for left-hand drive vehicles, this ingenious upgrade transforms your old fuse box into a hidden treasure trove of organization and style. Imagine converting a simple board into a sleek drawer, or turning a mundane fuse box into a secret coin bank, a perfect stash for spare change, cash, or even your gas credit card. Crafted from premium ABS plastic with an elegant matte finish and equipped with non-slip rubber pads, it ensures that your keys and coins stay secure and silent, free from clattering noises. Best of all, no tools are required. Simply replace your old fuse box in under a minute and enjoy an instant boost in both functionality and flair. This clever modification not only declutters your vehicle, but also adds a personalized touch to your ride, making every journey a testament to creative ingenuity and effortless convenience. Experience total peace of mind with the Land Air C54 GPS tracker, your indispensable asset companion. With precise global positioning, real-time alerts, and advanced geofencing, the Land Air C54 allows you to monitor every movement of your vehicle, ATV, golf cart, or other valuables. Easily connected via web software or the Silver Cloud app, the device updates its location every 3 seconds and stores up to 1 year of history, so you never miss a detail. When there is no movement, sleep mode automatically activates to save battery, while the compact, stealthy design with built-in magnets provides optimal privacy. Built to last and backed by an unconditional lifetime warranty from Land Air C, the US pioneer in GPS, each device comes with a flexible and affordable subscription plan starting with no contract and can be canceled at any time. Let the Land Air C54 be your trusted protector, providing peace of mind and safety for all your trips. Experience unparalleled convenience and safety on every journey with this innovative tablet headrest mount designed to effortlessly accommodate almost any tablet or phone. Imagine the joy of watching your favorite shows or playing games without having to crane your neck, as the integrated swivel ball lets you adjust the viewing angle freely, instantly switching between landscape and portrait modes for optimal viewing. Securely mounted with non-slip silicone pads along its grooves, this versatile accessory attaches firmly to headrests ranging from 5.0 inches to 5.7 inches wide, requiring no tools for installation or adjustments. Its extendable arm, sliding smoothly from 1.9 inches to 8.7 inches, offers customizable proximity whether you need a closer view for detailed tasks or a farther setting to safeguard your child's eyes and neck. Perfect for rear passengers in cars, SUVs, or pickups, it transforms long trips into delightful, stress-free adventures, ensuring that every family ride is filled with entertainment, comfort, and lasting smiles. Experience the cutting edge of inspection technology with our HD endoscope, boasting a vibrant 4.3-inch color LCD that delivers crystal clear, real-time visuals. Once powered on, it's instantly ready for action. No need for smartphone connections or extra software downloads, keeping your pricey devices pristine and hassle-free. Although it doesn't capture photos or videos, its 8 adjustable LED lights illuminate even the darkest corners, while the optimal viewing range of 1.5 to 5 inches, paired with a versatile 5-meter semi-rigid cable, ensures every detail is within reach. Rated IP67 for waterproof performance, this endoscope is engineered to thrive in harsh weather and damp environments, thanks to its aerospace-grade, water-safe connectors. Its compact 8mm probe can effortlessly slip through spark plug openings or a discreetly drilled wall hole, providing a safe, non-invasive window into hidden spaces, all without compromising on durability or ease of use. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Imagine a device that seamlessly mounts on your windshield, keeping your eyes on the road while providing a clear view of your tire pressure monitor without obstructing your vision or wasting space. This advanced TPMS system alerts you instantly to rapid or slow air leaks, high pressure, elevated temperatures, sensor malfunctions, and low sensor battery, all through crisp visual and audio signals via wireless transmission. Its dual charging methods ensure superior performance by harnessing solar energy without monopolizing your car's lighter socket, complemented by a rechargeable imported lithium battery for extended life. The wide-angle digital LCD screen with bright backlighting displays pressure and temperature data clearly day or night, convertible at your convenience. With wireless installation and 4 waterproof external sensors ready in just 5 minutes, no tire removal needed, data appears within moments. A newly engineered detachable mount makes charging or reinstallation a breeze, with shipping-ready mounts available at Amazon. Get ready for a professional car lift experience with this superior electric jack that is a great helper for roadside emergencies and home repairs. With a maximum lifting capacity of 10,000 pounds and an adjustable range of 5.9 inches to 17.7 inches, the device features a self-locking structure to ensure a stable and safe lift. The protective painted steel body increases durability and rust resistance, providing reliability in all conditions. The jack not only includes an automatic car jack system, air pump, and electric impact wrench, but also comes with an intuitive control panel that is easy to operate with just one button. The convenient pressure gauge allows you to accurately monitor the inflation pressure, while the anti-slip cross-groove design and free height adjustment optimize the lifting process, allowing you to change tires quickly in less than a minute. The device automatically stops when reaching the limit, providing absolute peace of mind for the user. With this power booster, you don't need to ask for help when you have a problem. It is an indispensable companion for every car owner. Discover a travel essential that redefines convenience. Our rotating phone mount lets you effortlessly adjust your device's angle for the perfect view without straining your neck. Whether you mount it on a backseat or tray table during flights, it offers a hands-free experience ideal for frequent travelers. Engineered to fit phones ranging from 4.7 to 6.9 inches, its adjustable clamp spans 2.09 to 3.78 inches, all built with robust ABS and metal for unbeatable stability. The high-quality spring clamp base securely grips any flat surface up to 1.57 inches thick, while non-slip rubber pads protect your phone from scratches and accidental drops. Compact and versatile, this mount can be attached to desk surfaces, luggage handles, car vents, child seats, kitchen cabinets, and more. It's not just a tool, it's a thoughtful gift for friends, loved ones, or family members who appreciate style and functionality on the go. Providing peace of mind for both you and your furry friend, our dog backseat cover is cleverly designed to prevent your pet from sliding into the footrest during sudden stops, making for a safe and comfortable ride. Not only does it increase your dog's activity space by up to 40%, it also creates a spacious environment for them to move freely. Made from premium PU leather, the seat cover is not only durable, but also scratch-resistant, waterproof, easy to clean, and provides optimal grip, minimizing your cleaning chores. The sturdy base design with mold-resistant fiberboard can support up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for large dogs or when there are multiple pets. The flexible folding design also allows 1 to 2 family members to sit next to the cover when folded. The built-in mesh window promotes airflow and allows pets to observe their surroundings, thereby reducing anxiety. Comes with a spacious storage bag, making it easy to store toys and snacks for adventures, bringing complete joy to your four-legged friend. The Kingbolin BM560 car battery tester is the perfect solution for those who always grasp the exact condition of their car battery. In just 3 seconds, this device gives accurate test results for 6V 12V batteries, such as flooded batteries, AGM flat plates, AGM spirals, as well as GL and EFB batteries. With the ability to measure CCA, C, and SOH, along with voltage waveform analysis, BM560 helps you monitor and evaluate the health of the battery comprehensively, thereby deciding whether to replace it or not. Furthermore, with extremely low power consumption, the device does not cause battery discharge and is also equipped with reverse polarity protection function, ensuring maximum safety for users when the cable is connected incorrectly. This is truly a great assistant for maintaining and controlling the performance of the battery system, bringing absolute peace of mind for every trip.